Yesterday night, I had a very nice meeting with all the legislators and all the leaders of the farmer community of North Karnataka, Gulbarga, Yadgir, Bagalkot, Singapore, and Raichur. There is a big crop loss issue, especially on chili crop. Chili crop. We don't have water. I think compared to last year, we have less of 50% less water. They are demanding that their chili crop, will be lost about more than 2,000 crores. They will have the use for the entire crop. So I had a meeting with them. We don't have water, but still keeping the drinking water and the evaporation in issue. The government of Karnataka, after discussing with my district ministers and my 3 district ministers who are the chairmen of that water usage committee, and with these leaders and with my officials, I've decided to release about 2.75 TMC of water. This will be the last resort. And I appeal to the farmers and the political leaders of all parties to protect this water. It should be used for the purpose of what we are living. It is to protect the chili crop. So they have to use this only for the chili crop and they should be benefit out of it. Though there is a very big crisis in the state for water, you know that the highest number of taluks, more than 200 plus taluks have been declared as drought. And almost 92% of the other taluks in this area also have been declared as the drought areas. So I hope that every farmer and every leader will be accountable for this. Though my officers can't control the farmers in the farmer association, they are just going wild. They are creating all nuisance front of the offices. But still, we doesn't want to harm them. We know their interest. But still, we have decided, taking everything in the larger interest, we have decided to leave 2.75 TMC of water. After this, there will be no water available until the rains come to Karnataka.